The terms of hepatitis refers to the primary infection of liver by anyone of hepatitis virus. Generally, we have seen that there is 5 types of hepatitis: hepatitis A, hepatitis B, C, D, E and G. And in these 5 types, we have seen that hepatitis C is very dangerous because it spread percutaneous. Second, the first question, what is the diagnosis? Then let's see. The diagnosis is that in CBC, in blood report in CBC, we see increasing of WBC, serum bilirubin, and one thing is most important, and that is SGPT. These are increased very much, and the platelets decrease. This is diagnosis. Okay, the next question is that what is the treatment of this? Generally, we have seen that first of all, the advice for the patient is that he has to take completely bed rest. He has to take liquid diet and minerals and vitamins. Second thing, when he goes to the doctor, then doctor will prescribe IgG and IgM because these increase immunity in patient so that they can heal very easily. But this symptoms is very much dangerous. This disease is very much dangerous. So you have to take care about your diet. You have to take care about your food. You have to take care about cleanliness. Okay?